Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Power Automate for approvals and reminders, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Power Automate. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the page is loaded, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Once you have entered your password, click on the Sign In button again. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps as required. After signing in, you will be taken to the main dashboard of Microsoft Power Automate. From the dashboard, look for the Approvals tab on the left side menu. Click on the Approvals tab to access all your approval requests and reminders. You can create a new approval request by clicking on the New Approval button. Fill in all necessary details for your approval request. Once finished, click on the Send button to forward your request. To manage your reminders, navigate back to the dashboard. Select the Reminders section from the left side menu. Here, you can set up new reminders based on your preferences. Fill in the required fields for your reminder. After completing those fields, click on the Save button. You are now logged into Microsoft Power Automate and can easily manage approvals and reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.